Hi guys, it's Chuma here, back with another video, and for today it is a quick review as promised of the Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Grapeseed collection. This is the new collection that they brought out, and you guys would have seen for the last couple of videos I actually got the new range from the October TreasureTress box. So I have done like a full wash day and used all of the products now at this point. So I just wanted to get on camera and just do like a quick review for you guys to let you know my thoughts on Aunt Jackie's new Grapeseed collection. So stick around if you want to be able to find out more. Alright guys, here we go. By the way, my voice is just not the most right now. I haven't actually been well for the last week, and I didn't realize that me actually talking could sound like this. But nevertheless, the show must go on, and so yeah, let's get on with the review. Okay, so you guys know I got 5 full products from the October TreasureTress box for the Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Grapeseed collection. I got the shampoo, deep conditioner, and 3 styling products: the curling jelly, the slicked gel glue, and the mousse as well. So I want to be able to talk through all of these products one by one and then just let you guys know my thoughts on them. So starting with the shampoo, this is the Aunt Jackie's Power Wash. It's an intense moisture clarifying shampoo. For me, it kind of like has a jelly consistency when you put it on. It does lather up quite well, and I did enjoy my wash day with it, but did find that it gave that, like, you know, that squeaky clean feeling that I'm not really a fan of. It does a lot of that, and I'm imagining because it's promoting itself as clarifying and it's enriched with apple cider vinegar and aloe as well, it's a type of shampoo where you don't need to use too much of it. Like, a little does go a long way for you. I feel like the wash day process was really quick when I was using the shampoo. So that was the good thing about the shampoo, is that it is definitely very clarifying, but if you do use too much, then you find that it tends to be on more of the stripping side. So I did feel like after I used the shampoo, my hair was a little bit like stiff, for lack of a better word. It did feel a bit stiff. So that's what I'll say about the shampoo. I will give it another go. I'll give it another couple of washes just to see how I get on with it. But for the most part, I'm on the fence about the shampoo. I do know that I have my favorite shampoos, so for this, I probably wouldn't use it as regularly as I use my other shampoos. Okay, so when it comes to the Aunt Jackie's Rescued, this is the First Quenching Recovery Conditioner. I already told you guys I knew that I would be loving this deep conditioner. In terms of consistency, it seemed quite light when I trialed it out for you guys when I was unboxing. I really like the fact that it is actually thick. It's a nice thick conditioner, how you want a conditioner to be, and it has got great slip. My hair, especially after like shampooing, I really wanted the deep conditioner to kind of bring that moisture back and bring that softness back, and it did exactly that. Like, I was really chuffed with this deep conditioner. I know I will rinse this out very quickly. I was very much not pleasantly surprised because I knew that it was going to do what it needed to do, and so yeah, I'm really excited that this came out. It's a gem and I will continue to use it. Okay, so for the Aunt Jackie's Iced Curls Glossy Curly Jelly, again, it's very similar to Cobos, I would say. For this particular jelly, obviously the ingredients have been refined. So as you guys know, this is the Grapeseed collection, right? So ingredients have been a little bit more refined, but nonetheless it works really well. So I did like a style video just to revive my hairstyle that I had on, that I'd been wearing, and it did a great job in terms of hold, and it wasn't flaky at all, and it was great to be able to actually use. I know this will definitely be a product empty for me. Still smells very gorgeous, as it has always been. Definitely another staple for me. I know I've mentioned to you guys so many times, like, this would be my alternative to using Eco Styler, and it's definitely a great alternative for that. When it comes to the Aunt Jackie's Frizz Patrol Anti-Poof Setting Mousse, now I used this initially just to be able to hold my flat twist in place for the style that you guys would have seen, and then as well as that, I actually did a whole style, so I braid out using this mousse. So this is how my hair is looking. It did come out a bit frizzy, and I think that's because I just used like a different leave-in and this mousse. That was it to be able to style. So I know in terms of like definition, it's great when you apply it and it gives you great definition when the mousse is in your hair. But I guess when you do a braid out, there is a lot of frizz. There is definitely a lot of frizz. I will try it with a perm rod set when I told you guys, when I'm brave enough, I will try a perm rod set. But for the most part, I feel like even though it is a setting mousse, it was still very much moisturizing. So I didn't unravel my hair to find that my hair was really dry, considering that I just used a leave-in and this mousse. So that's a great thing about the mousse, is that it's not drying at all. You get some kind of setting sprays that feel like they will dry out your hair simply because it's a setting mousse, right? But this wasn't at all, and I really, really liked it. It's just that it's a shame that it couldn't hold. It's just a shame that it couldn't actually hold the definition of my hair when I was unraveling. And obviously, like, my type 4C hair will like be very prone to frizzing and all of that kind of stuff, so it's very hard to actually get definition from a braid out, especially for me, that I found. But yeah, it did a great job in terms of actually continuing to add moisture to my hair, especially because I just used the 2 products for this style, and I still feel like it still came out okay. It can hold a front fringe, so that's not too bad at all. So I'm like surprisingly happy with it and how it actually styles out the hair. And finally, the Aunt Jackie's Slicked Flexible Styling Glue. Guys, they're not lying when they say this thing is glue. Like, you honestly have to be careful about how you use it, and that's what I found. Like, once you use it, once it dries, it stays in place. It is no lie. Like, it's beyond a gel, it's a glue. It's a glue. So it's a super hold, moisturizing, molding and sculpting formula for hair and edges. Yes, especially for the edges, it's oh Lord. Okay, so when it comes to Slicked, it's a flexible styling glue, and when I say it is a glue, it is a glue. So you kind of have to be really careful with how you use it and not using too much. It's very reminiscent of like the Cream of Nature Snot Gel, or like your Gots to Be glue. I think like that's what they were trying to aim and go for. And yeah, it is definitely a glue. It's a gel glue gel. But it's great for hold, it's great for the edges. If you feel like your edge control or your normal gel doesn't give you as much hold for your edges, I would say give this a go, give this a go, because you definitely won't be disappointed. So sorry about the noise, by the way. There's just a lot going on today. We're just all rushing trying to get somewhere. So overall, in terms of like the Grapeseed collection from Aunt Jackie's, they've done a really good job in terms of the ingredients that they've used. They've worked really hard on ingredients that help with retention and with hair growth. So I think Grapeseed is great for a number of different reasons. I'll list all the benefits in the description below, just so you guys can get to know a little bit more about the benefits of Grapeseed in general. And I think overall the products are amazing. Out of the 5 products used, my favorite at the moment, the ones I will use most consistently, will be the deep conditioner, the curling jelly, and the mousse. I feel like I've incorporated mousse in a lot of my hair routine. It's just great as an add-on to be able to kind of keep the neatness of like any braids or twists or anything like that. So I kind of use mousse quite consistently now. I'm actually surprised about how often I use mousse. And obviously a deep conditioner will come with every wash day, and the fact that it's just an amazing moisturizing, great slippage type of deep conditioner which smells absolutely yummy is a reason why I like the deep conditioner. And of course, you can never go wrong with a good curling jelly that doesn't flake up your hair, and I feel like this one right here is definitely a keeper. So overall, I think that the range is great. It's amazing. There's a couple of products that are a little bit but overall I think it's great that they've kind of brought out this range. Previously, as you guys know, I've only tried a couple of Aunt Jackie's products, so I'm pleasantly surprised with this range, and I feel like this will probably be the range that I would go to if I was going to continue using Aunt Jackie's. So that will definitely be something that I'll be able to reach out to and be like, okay, if anything, it will be the Grapeseed collection that I will be able to continue to use, but I'm going to absolutely enjoy using the rest of the products. Okay guys, and that is a wrap from me. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, give it a thumbs up. Also comment down below if you've tried this particular collection, what is your favorite out of the collection and all that good stuff. Also, if you're checking me out for the first time or you're returning, do not forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe. Also turn on the auto notification bell, and that way you know every single time I post a video. Alright guys, and until next time, bye!